Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust stadiums on the FC24, and to do this we have to go for the left upper corner on the settings, go to the edit teams and go for the stadiums. And here we've got, for example, the FC Barcelona, and here we've got the name, and the name is the El Libertador, but normally if of course the Camp Nou, click done. And yeah, the name has changed of the stadium. That's also the information about the capacity. Here you can of course like change the stadium. So what I mean, you can get the Barcelona, for example, the Stadio Clásico or Stadion Europa. So that's how we can make the change. There's also some kind of a clubs stadium TR1 to so yeah, that's all for this video. To change it, just click apply and exit. So hope you like it.